Yes. Yes.
A relationship.
Yes. So if you're random, join me. We'll have fun.
So now it's actually tracing the S of the shirt for me. Got paper right there. So yeah, it's tracing the outline of the S. And it has a scanner on it, so it knows what to cut and what not to cut. And this is how a lot of people, you know, cut their vinyl and or make stickers and stuff like that. And this bad boy, okay, can also write in on metal, like dog tags. Yeah, so this is a beast. It can even cut through wood, you know, or leather. So watch out, watch out. So all I need to do is just put it on the shirt that I'm getting ready to sublimate. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to lift it up and let you see how it had cut through the paper. I like to press down on it so I don't have any tears when I'm doing this. You don't want to get too happy and then risk having to do this all over again. Okay, just put it up. So I had started off at the beginning using my Cricut Maker, and I had cut out an S on there. Just make sure you, like I said at the beginning, mirror your images, especially with letters, okay? So after I let the Cricut cut around the outline of the S, I have this Cool Dry Hanes performance t-shirt, which is 100% polyester. I had already used my lint roller and I had pressed down on this shirt for 8 seconds before placing this image on there. Now this is sublimation paper that I had on hand, and now I am getting ready to put this under the heat. Before doing so, to protect your shirt and your heat press plate right here, you want to make sure that you cover it with butcher paper. I mean, you can definitely cover it with butcher paper, and you can also cover it with Teflon. But to be secure, I am going to use some butcher paper as well, so I don't have any burn marks on this shirt, because this is a jersey type shirt and it's white. So just for extra protection, okay? Now I am getting ready to hold my shirt, and I do have a Teflon pillow underneath of this as well. I don't know if you can see it. Let me pull it down just a little bit to make sure that my image does not bleed through the shirt. So that's very important to have. If you don't have that, use some butcher paper or some cardboard to put underneath your shirt so it does not bleed through to the other side. Now I'm just going to push this bottom plate up, and I have my heat press set to 375, only because this heat press, I got this from Walmart, okay? It's a swing away. It's one of those 5-in-1s. I never use the other components because honestly, I did not want to lose any screws, and I already lost one screw and this screw is loose. So this was from Walmart, but it does its job and it overheats. So I do have a heat thermometer, you know, that you scan, and it lets you know, basically the heat element. So this particular model does overheat. It is not true to its temperature setting, so I just have it on 375. So right now you're going to hear me say, hey Google, set timer for 60 seconds.
All right, 1 minute, and that's starting now.
Now you want to pull down the lever of your heat press. There we go. This has extra pressure on it because I cannot pull away from it, and that's basically what you want. Remember, sublimation ink is a gas and it's going to expel. Okay, so it's okay if the heat gauge goes down a temperature, that's fine. Like I said, this overheats, but it will go back up to its normal temperature. If you see smoke coming out, that is also normal as well. Please do not freak out, as it has to embed the heat into the shirt. So you're going to get steam just as if you were using your iron. You get steam. Okay, so this is from one of my customers. All right, stop. Letting Google know to stop. And you want to always make sure you pull the lever of your heat press up slowly so you can avoid ghosting. But you saw that I used a lot of tape because I don't play with customers' orders. I will use a lot of tape. I can always buy me some more. Okay? So I've been doing sublimation for so long that I know when it's done and I know when it bleeds through before I before I even take the paper off. Is weird, but it's almost like smelling a old book from like the early 1900s, because you know the smell of an old book. That's a librarian thing. But I already know that it bled through because I could smell the ink, like it's ready. And you can see the imprint. I don't know if you can see it, but it has the imprint right here. So with your Teflon paper, you want to make sure that you rinse it off so it won't bleed through. All right, so this is the image, okay? And now you see how I have the tape secure because I did not want ghosting, like I said. Just gonna pull this out some. Oops, sorry about that, y'all. And by me putting the extra butcher paper on there with the Teflon sheet had helped protect this shirt from getting any type of black burnt marks. Because like I said, this is a jersey type shirt. Now, I am going to just take a little peekaboo. I know y'all say you have a lot of tape, but you know, I'm used to the heat because I've been doing this for quite some time. And there we go. Let me get this too. And get this off as well, like so. I know you're saying, uh-oh, she can't get the tape off, but yes, I can. Boom. So like I said, go happy with the tape. Because I've been seeing a lot, not to knock some YouTubers, but I have been seeing a lot of YouTubers using only a little bit of tape, or sometimes they use the spray, but I just don't trust that. I used to do that at the beginning, but I just don't trust that, using of the spray. All right, so here is the shirt. I'm gonna hold it up so you can see it. So my camera will move, y'all. And this is the Teflon pillow I was talking about. So I'm just gonna swing this back around like so. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff going on here. So good thing about this shirt, I'm so glad I have got this one. You can put your actual business name on the back of the neck. I had used some what is this? This is I think dream paper, and I had just made a little neck label so I can put it onto the shirts, but I have to make sure it's the actual size. And usually when you do your neck labels, you can make it 2 by 2. Just make sure you put your logo on there if you have one. Hopefully you do if it's your business, and your size and the fabric of the shirt. You know, you can let them know to, you know, wash it inside out, don't use fabric softener. You know, you can put all that on there. And that's another video if you want me to show you how to do that. I actually recorded it, but you're gonna have to tell me to show it because editing does take a lot. And this is my natural state of hair, so don't mind me right now. This is not about my hair. This is about me teaching you how to do sublimation. Okay, so this is not mine, but this is for a customer. Okay, just shake it. Okay, so this is for a customer and a good friend. She's not just a customer, but she's a good friend, and this is for her. So she wanted an S to be on her chest, and this is what she has. Okay, like that. So all I have to do now is just put the label right here, and I'm going to actually use my easy press, my Cricut easy press to do this part. It's so easy. But if you want me to release that video, y'all are gonna have to say, hey, she committed, release the video. We want to see, we want to learn, we want to make our business grow. I'll do that. Subscribe, share, like, comment, ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. I wouldn't be doing all this content for nothing, okay? And don't forget, I am an Amazon affiliate. So what that means is everything that I do, I basically buy from Amazon. And I shared with you how to make shirts, how to make mugs, tumblers, jewelry, whatever I can get from Amazon, I'm making it, okay? So I could do that and show you how to grow your business, the ins and the outs. I can do that, but it takes time. And by you clicking on those links, it helps me to purchase more items and keep showing you valuable content. Okay, so like I said, I'm a librarian by day, okay, and I'm a mother of 2 teens, you know, little kids. So I'm always giving instructions, and I'm always trying to be thorough and not rush through the process. If you're impatient, you can always scroll through and see in the middle what I am doing. You know, if you don't want to, you know, listen to me talk and walk you through it. But that's how you miss out on something very important. And that's when all the comments come, and I'll be like, I know I said that in the video. I know I did. So if I did forget to say something in the video, I would try my best to put it in the description also, or in the comment section. So here you go. Okay, and you can, it's a nice stretchy shirt. And where did I get this from, y'all? Where did I get this from? That Amazon. Did I get this shirt that I'm wearing from Amazon? No, I got this from Jiffy, okay? And I must have been drunk making this shirt right here. Because see how I didn't even give myself any space right here? You're supposed to usually have your hand right here whenever you're doing any type of sublimation, and then put it right below. So I must have been drunk making this shirt, because this should not be all the way up here. But you know what? We're human. We make mistakes, and I can call my mistakes out, okay? Yes, I can. But oh my God, I do something with this head. But that's why my channel is naturally committed, because boof, this is all natural, and I didn't even get the chance to do my washer guard. Yeah, that's a different story. Maybe that's a blog story. But anyway, thank you for tuning in with me. And like I said, I got that video on how you do the neck labels, and I'll show you at the end of how it looks. But look, honey, you could just tear this off, you know, like so. Take your time with it, because you don't want to rip no holes in there, okay? And boom. Now I can put my neck label right there with my brand. With my brand. So I can do that. It's even better when you got a trademark brand. Alright. So stay tuned and you'll see me do this. But hey, y'all, subscribe yet? I don't hear no dings. Ding, 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 dings. And for those who have subscribed since I've been sharing new content on this channel, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Like I said, when I get my 100th subscriber, I'm going to send you something. So is it you? I'm going to send it to you for free. So is it you? Are you my 100th subscriber? We'll see. The vinyl sticker paper that I was showing you all. And here is the shirt. I already have it in the package, getting ready to be sent off to my customer. So that's basically what you want to do. You want to have it just like that. And see, it doesn't come off, and it's washable, so you can wash it and then you won't have to worry about it coming off. So save yourself some money. Save yourself some money, y'all. And you can actually use a regular iron to put this on with the paper that I used, the vinyl paper that I used. That will be found in the description below.